Welcome to Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator exam preparation course. Whether you are aiming to enhance your cloud expertise, advance your career, or achieve certifications, you are in the right place. This video is designed to guide you through the essentials of Microsoft Azure, offering practical tips, real-world examples, and everything you need to excel in the exam. After each chapter, there's a Q&A section to reinforce your knowledge. For comprehensive preparations, check the description to access the Audible versions, the free Ultimate Exam Prep Guide, or the Amazon link for the book. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exam updates and practice. Now, to lead you through this journey, here's your instructor.
1. What is the primary purpose of Azure Storage Account Management? A. Managing virtual networks. B. Hosting web applications. C. Organizing and securing storage resources. D. Monitoring network traffic. Answer: C. Organizing and securing storage resources. Azure Blob Storage is ideal for storing A. Structured data in tables. B. Unstructured data like images and videos. C. Relational database files. D. Executable code. Answer: B. Unstructured data like images and videos. 3. What feature does Azure Files provide? A. Relational database services. B. Shared file storage for Azure VMs. C. Data encryption services. D. Web hosting capabilities. Answer: B. Shared file storage for Azure VMs. 4. Which service offers file synchronization in Azure? A. Azure Blob Storage. B. Azure SQL Database. C. Azure File Sync. D. Azure Table Storage. Answer: C. Azure File Sync. 5. How does Azure ensure security in storage services? A. By using physical security measures only. B. Through encryption and access control. C. By limiting storage capacity. D. Through manual monitoring. Answer: B. Through encryption and access control. 6. What is a key feature of Azure's disaster recovery strategy for storage? A. Manual backup process. B. Geographical redundancy and backup services. C. Using on-premises backup solutions. D. Limited data replication. Answer: B. Geographical redundancy and backup services. 7. Azure storage performance can be tuned using A. Fixed resource allocation. B. Manual scaling only. C. Monitoring and adjusting performance settings. D. Physical hardware adjustments. Answer: C. Monitoring and adjusting performance settings. 8. In Azure, what is blob storage primarily used for? A. Storing large unstructured data. B. Hosting databases. C. Running applications. D. Network management. Answer: A. Storing large amounts of unstructured data. 9. Azure Files is best used for A. Large-scale data analytics. B. Storing and sharing files across VMs. C. Website hosting. Or D. Structured database storage. Answer: B. Storing and sharing files across VMs. 10. Implementing Azure Blob Storage involves A. Configuring virtual networks. B. Setting up file sharing systems. C. Creating containers for data storage. D. Managing user identities. Answer: C. Creating containers for data storage. 11. Security in Azure Storage is managed through A. Azure Active Directory. B. Network security groups. C. encryption and access policies, D, physical server security. Answer: C, encryption and access policies. 12. A primary benefit of Azure File Sync is A, increasing storage capacity, B, synchronizing files across multiple locations, C, storing large databases, D, encrypting file data. Answer: B, synchronizing files across multiple locations. 13. Azure Storage Account Management is important for A, network configuration, B, organizing and securing storage resources, C, running virtual machines, D, web application hosting. Answer: B, organizing and securing storage resources. 14. Disaster recovery in Azure Storage typically involves A, manual backups only, B, cloud-based backup and restore services, C, using physical storage devices, D, limited data replication. Answer: B, cloud-based backup and restore services. 15. Monitoring Azure storage performance can help in A, reducing the physical server load, B, adjusting resources for optimal performance, C, managing network traffic, D, encrypting data. Answer: B, adjusting resources for optimal performance. 16. What is a key feature for implementing blob storage in Azure? A, running serverless functions, B, storing structured relational data, C, storing unstructured data like images and backups, D, managing virtual networks. Answer: C, storing unstructured data like images and backups. 17. Azure Files offers what primary functionality? A, database management, B, virtual networking, C, shared file storage, D, web hosting. Answer: C, shared file storage. 18. Azure File Sync primarily enables A, web application hosting, B, synchronization of files across Azure VMs, C, running virtual machines, D, large-scale data analytics. Answer: B, synchronization of files across Azure VMs. 19. Security measures in Azure Storage include A, manual monitoring, B, physical security only, C, encryption and secure access controls, D, fixed resource allocation. Answer: C, encryption and secure access controls. 20. The purpose of Azure's disaster recovery for storage is to A, increase physical storage capacity, B, ensure data availability and redundancy, C, limit data replication, D, use on-premises backup solutions. Answer: B, ensure data availability and redundancy. 21. Azure Storage Account Management is essential for A, managing virtual machines, B, configuring network security, C, organizing and securing storage resources, D, hosting web applications. Answer: C, organizing and securing storage resources. 22. Which Azure service is ideal for file sharing and collaboration? A, Azure Blob Storage, B, Azure Files, C, Azure Table Storage, D, Azure Virtual Machines. Answer: B, Azure Files. 23. What does Azure File Sync primarily assist with? A, database synchronization, B, file sharing and synchronization, C, application deployment, D, network management. Answer: B. File sharing and synchronization. 24. In Azure Storage, encryption and access control are used for A. Enhancing network performance, B. Reducing storage costs, C. Improving storage security, D. Increasing storage capacity. Answer: C. Improving storage security. 25. Disaster recovery in Azure Storage is focused on A. Manual backup and restoration, B. Physical hardware maintenance, C. Ensuring data availability and redundancy, D. Network security. Answer: C. Ensuring data availability and redundancy. 26. Monitoring Azure Storage performance is vital for A. Compliance and data regulations, B. Optimizing resource usage, C. Physical infrastructure management, D. Encrypting data. Answer: B. Optimizing resource usage. 27. The primary use of Azure Blob Storage is A. Web hosting, B. Storing structured relational data, C. Storing large unstructured data, D. Managing user identities. Answer: C. Storing large unstructured data. 28. Azure Files is best utilized for A. Storing and synchronizing files across different environments, B. Running serverless functions, C. Database hosting, D. Virtual networking. Answer: A. Storing and synchronizing files across different environments. 29. Azure File Sync is most beneficial for A. Synchronizing databases, B. Enhancing web application performance, C. Synchronizing files across Azure VMs, D. Large-scale data analytics. Answer: C. Synchronizing files across Azure VMs. 30. What aspect of Azure Storage does encryption and access control enhance? A. Cost management, B. Storage capacity, C. Security, D. Network performance. Answer: C. Security. 31. The goal of Azure's disaster recovery strategy for storage is to A. Increase physical server capacity, B. Ensure continuous data availability and protection, C. Limit storage costs, D. Manage user access. Answer: B. Ensure continuous data availability and protection. 32. Azure Storage Performance Monitoring aids in A. Physical server management, B. Reducing network traffic, C. Adjusting resources for optimal storage performance, D. Storage encryption. Answer: C. Adjusting resources for optimal storage performance. 33. Implementing Azure Blob Storage typically involves A. Setting up virtual networks, B. Managing user access, C. Creating containers and blobs for storage, D. Configuring physical servers. Answer: C. Creating containers and blobs for storage. 34. Azure Files provides A. Database management solutions, B. Shared file storage for collaborative work, C. Web application hosting services, D. Virtual machine management. Answer: B. Shared file storage for collaborative work. 35. The main purpose of Azure File Sync is A. Hosting databases, B. Synchronizing files across various locations, C. Managing network traffic, D. Storing large data analytics files. Answer: B. synchronizing files across various locations. 36. Security in Azure Storage is primarily managed through A. Azure virtual machines, B. Physical security measures, C. Encryption and access control mechanisms, D. Network traffic analysis. Answer: C. Encryption and access control mechanisms. 37. The focus of disaster recovery in Azure Storage is on A. Manual data restoration, B. Ensuring data redundancy and availability, C. Network security, D. Physical data center maintenance. Answer: B. Ensuring data redundancy and availability. 38. Performance tuning in Azure Storage is crucial for A. Reducing the cost of storage, B. Enhancing the security of stored data, C. Optimizing storage resource utilization, D. Managing user identities and access. Answer: C. Optimizing storage resource utilization. 39. Azure Blob Storage's primary functionality is A. Running applications, B. Storing large volumes of unstructured data, C. Database hosting, D. Network management. Answer: B. Storing large volumes of unstructured data. 40. Azure Files is mainly used for A. Storing and sharing files in a cloud environment, B. Database synchronization, C. Web hosting, D. Network traffic management. Answer: A. Storing and sharing files in a cloud environment. 41. Azure File Sync is primarily used for A. Database management, B. Enhancing network security, C. Synchronizing files across Azure services, D. Web application development. Answer: C. Synchronizing files across Azure services. 42. What is the main security feature of Azure Storage? A. Network firewalls, B. Physical server security, C. Encryption and secure access policies, D. Manual data monitoring. Answer: C. Encryption and secure access policies. 43. Disaster recovery in Azure Storage mainly focuses on A. Physical hardware redundancy, B. Manual backup processes, C. Data availability and redundancy, D. Cost reduction strategies. Answer: C. Data availability and redundancy. 44. The purpose of monitoring Azure storage performance is to A. Increase physical storage capacity, B. Optimize storage resource usage and performance, C. Enhance network security, D. Reduce operational costs. Answer: B. Optimize storage resource usage and performance. 45. Azure Blob Storage is typically used for A. Storing structured data in databases, B. Hosting dynamic websites, C. Storing unstructured data such as documents and media files, D. Managing network infrastructure. Answer: C. Storing unstructured data such as documents and media files. 46. Azure Files is intended for A. Running serverless applications, B. File sharing and collaborative work in the cloud, C. Large-scale data analytics, D. Virtual machine management. Answer: B. File sharing and collaborative work in the cloud. 47. Azure File Sync's key advantage is A. database replication. B. File synchronization across multiple Azure environments. C. Network traffic optimization. D. Large-scale data storage. Answer B. File synchronization across multiple Azure environments. 48. In Azure Storage, what does encryption primarily ensure? A. Data availability. B. Cost efficiency. C. Data security. D. Network performance. Answer C. Data security. 49. The primary goal of Azure's disaster recovery strategy for storage is A. Manual data recovery. B. Ensuring continuous data availability and protection. C. Reducing storage costs. D. Increasing physical server usage. Answer B. Ensuring continuous data availability and protection. 50. Performance tuning in Azure Storage helps in A. Reducing the need for physical servers. B. Optimizing storage costs and performance. C. Improving network security. D. Managing user access and identity. Answer B. Optimizing storage costs and performance. 51. Azure Blob Storage is best for A. Web hosting services. B. Storing and managing unstructured data. C. Database management. D. Virtual network configuration. Answer B. Storing and managing unstructured data. 52. Azure Files facilitates A. Synchronizing data across virtual machines. B. Hosting large databases. C. Shared storage for cloud-based file sharing. D. Running web applications. Answer C. Shared storage for cloud-based file sharing. 53. The main purpose of Azure File Sync is A. Enhancing database performance. B. Synchronizing files across Azure and on-premises environments. C. Managing network traffic. D. Storing large-scale data analytics files. Answer B. Synchronizing files across Azure and on-premises environments. 54. Security in Azure Storage is primarily enhanced through A. Manual data audits. B. Encryption and strict access controls. C. Physical security measures. D. Network traffic monitoring. Answer B. Encryption and strict access controls. 55. Disaster recovery in Azure Storage is centered around A. Manual backup and restoration techniques. B. Data redundancy and reliable backup solutions. C. Reducing storage costs. D. Physical infrastructure maintenance. Answer B. Data redundancy and reliable backup solutions. 56. Monitoring and tuning Azure Storage performance is essential for A. Enhancing physical hardware performance. B. Reducing network congestion. C. Optimizing storage efficiency and throughput. D. Data encryption processes. Answer C. Optimizing storage efficiency and throughput. 57. Implementing Azure Blob Storage typically includes A. Configuring network security settings. B. Creating and managing large data containers. C. Setting up physical servers. D. Running serverless applications. Answer B. Creating and managing large data containers. 58. The primary function of Azure Files is A. Running cloud-based applications. B. providing shared storage for file sharing purposes. C. Hosting databases. D. Network infrastructure management. Answer: B. Providing shared storage for file sharing purposes. 59. Azure File Sync is most useful for A. Web development. B. File synchronization in hybrid environments. C. Database backup and recovery. D. Virtual network management. Answer: B. File synchronization in hybrid environments. 60. In Azure Storage, what is the main purpose of implementing encryption? A. To reduce storage costs. B. To optimize network performance. C. To secure data against unauthorized access. D. To increase storage capacity. Answer: C. To secure data against unauthorized access. 17.3. Chapter 3, Deploying and Managing Azure VMs.